Chief Electoral Officer ke Jela Dr. BDR Tiwari minta kesngi ke khatsan tarik Risau arja Arpusau ula pentip ba ke Election Commission of India kelapin benar ba ya ke election shiteng samoy ha Gambagre constituency an pilong ha ke khatlai tarik unai wing arja Arpusau bat ke jinyo iki vote kan long ha ke Arpulai tarik nai wing arja Arpusau ha ke jinya kren bat kilat pathai khubor Tiwari ula pentip ba kesngit hap kerteng ke bakhaddu kandai ha ke arpusan tarik risau araja arpusau. Kejing pelong ya ke election shiteng samoy ha Gambagre constituency kadai hadian ba MLA barim usaleng sangma ula wengno yaladi na kejinglong MLA hadian ba ula syajit banlong kum UMP na Tura parliamentary constituency.
Honorable Election Commission of India has declared the election schedule for 2 states as well as by-elections in the several states. Accordingly, 56 Gambagre ST constituency in West Garo Hill district in state of Meghalaya is also going for by-elections. So schedule is as follows. Date of issue of Gazette notification is 18th October 2024 on Friday. Last date of making nomination will be on 25th October 2024 on Friday. Date for scrutiny of nomination is 28th October, Monday, and last date for withdrawal of candidature is 30th October 2024. The poll will held on 13th November 2024 on Wednesday. Date of counting of votes will be on the 23rd November 2024. We have in Gambagre Assembly constituency total 32,157 voters, out of which 16,333 are male voters and 15,824 are female voters. There are total 51 polling stations in the assembly area, and out of which 31 polling stations are critical, but there are no vulnerable polling stations. Election functionaries are fully prepared for conduct of free, fair, smooth elections.